Imagine waking up to find your family gone, with no signs of struggle or forced entry. The Sodder children's disappearance on Christmas Eve in 1945 is a case that will leave you speechless. But that's not all, there are 9 more shocking plot twists waiting for you. Welcome to our journey into the world of cold cases, where the lines between truth and fiction blur. From the Black Dahlia to the Zodiac Killer, we'll explore the most baffling unsolved mysteries of all time. So, let's get started. On Christmas Eve in 1945, the Sodder children went to bed in their West Virginia home, only to wake up to find their house in flames. But what's even more shocking is that no bodies were ever found. Theories range from a serial killer to a family member, but the truth remains a mystery. In 1947, Elizabeth Short was found brutally murdered in a Los Angeles park. The case became notorious due to the gruesome nature of the crime and the lack of leads. Despite numerous investigations, the killer was never caught, leaving behind a trail of unanswered questions. Between 1966 and 1974, the Zodiac Killer terrorized the San Francisco Bay Area, killing at least 5 people and taunting the police with cryptic letters and codes. Despite being one of the most infamous serial killers in history, the Zodiac Killer was never caught. In 1966, 3 siblings, Jane, Arna, and Grant Beaumont, disappeared while on a trip to the beach. Despite numerous investigations and tips, their fate remains a mystery. Theories range from abduction to a family member, but the truth remains unknown. In 1981, Adam Walsh, the 6-year-old son of America's Most Wanted host John Walsh, was abducted and murdered. The case led to a massive manhunt and a nationwide search for the killer, but the case remains unsolved. In 2004, nursing student Maura Murray disappeared after a car accident in New Hampshire. Despite numerous investigations and tips, her fate remains a mystery. Theories range from abduction to a family member, but the truth remains unknown. Join me next time as we explore more shocking plot twists in real-life cold cases. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more true crime content. And if you have any information about these cases, please contact the authorities.